Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome to our weekly videos on how to make some delicious yummy food using Herbalife products. So today I will be using Herbalife product Formula 1 and I'll be using the cookies and cream flavor to make a yummy delicious shake which is very thick and very tasty. So I'll be using this cookies and cream flavor, and I'll also add some strawberries, and I'll add a couple of banana or cubes of banana, and then I'll add some ice together with soy milk. So are you guys ready? Let's go for it. Okay guys, let's do this. As I was saying, I'm gonna use some soy milk. So I'm gonna pour about 250 to 300 mils of soy milk. I'm gonna use soy milk today. So yeah, just about 200 to 250, maybe 300. Yeah, there you go. So it's soy milk, which is really good. And then I can also use water, or I can use skim milk. The thing that you should know is that when you use soy milk or skim milk with our Formula 1 shake, so the calories that you get is about 205 in total. So you can use milk, obviously will be less than that. Yes, so I've used 300 mils of soy milk. And then I'm going to put a couple of scoops of Formula 1 cookies and cream flavor, so that we'll get those cookies and cream flavor that we want in that yummy shake. So I'm gonna have 2 scoops, one, and then I'm gonna have another scoop there. That's it. And yeah, so this shake, it's really amazing because it's got up to 21 of minerals and vitamins that are good for your body, and also the main things that it's got enough protein, it's got good fats, it's got a fiber, and it gives you a lot of energy as well. So it's got everything that is set up in the right amounts in this. So that's why we call it a meal replacement shake. So just remember that always, that this is a full meal replacement shake. So you are replacing another meal, and we know in most meals we don't get all the nutrients that we need, but here we've got about 21 of minerals and vitamins. Then you've got the fiber, you've got the fats, you've got the protein, you've got the carbs, you know, everything that your body really needs to function at an optimal level. So that's 2 scoops there. And then because I want to maintain my lean muscle, and also I want to be fuller for longer, so I'm going to add some personalized protein in. So protein is really good because it keeps you fuller for longer, as I was saying. And if you're working out, or also you want to improve your metabolism to work faster, you need to have more protein. So this is good stuff for you. So because I'm a big guy, I'm going to have 2 scoops of personalized protein. You can have 1. They're saying between 1 to 3 of personalized protein to get maximum results. So I want maximum result right now. I'm on a challenge, as you remember. I'm on a fitness challenge which should be ending end of this week. So I want to maximize that. So second scoop goes in, and that's it. So it is personalized protein powder. So each scoop is about 5 grams of protein, so it is really good. So I put in 10 there. And then one of the most brilliant products that we need on a daily basis, is the one that helps with our digestive system. So this is Active Fibre Complex. So Active Fibre Complex is good for that, as I was saying, for your digestive system. It helps with the absorption. It helps with the regularity of your digestive system. So this helps with that. We know we don't get enough fiber in the food that we eat. Again, we recommend to have at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber a day, but we don't really get that. So it's good to supplement just a bit, not a bit actually, to supplement more so you can reach that, so you can function at a very high level. So this one is an apple flavor, and it's really great. And the good thing is that this one you can even put it in water and drink, or juice, or whatever that you use to drink. It helps to to just keep drinking it if you're not eating it. Yeah, so this is really good. So each scoop is about 5 grams of fiber. So it's got a little scoop there, and I'm just gonna have 1 of that, and here we go. So I've got all my products. I've got my milk, I've got my shake, I've got my protein powder, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some strawberries. As I said, I've got some frozen strawberries. What I usually do, when I come from the shop, I cut them and put them in the fridge because it's summer, they get spoiled so quickly. So they can last even longer when you've frozen them. When you've got them frozen, I should speak good English. And then I've got a couple of banana cubes there. I freeze them as well, just to make it easy so they don't get spoiled quickly. So that's it. That's all my ingredients, and it's all in here. So I'm going to blend it, and you just watch. Okay, one thing that I'm gonna add now is the ice cubes that I was talking about before. I'm just gonna add a couple so that I can make it a little bit cooler and nicer, so it can go down and cool you off really nice, and it will make it even more thicker. So this is really great. And then I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more. Okay, now the moment of truth has come. So let us see, guys. Let me show you this yummy stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna start here. As you can see, it's quite thick, very thick, and you can tell the color from the strawberries as well. The thickness is from the ice and from banana. Oh, this is so good. There you go, guys. So this is my recipe of yummy strawberry cookies and cream Formula 1 shake. Strawberry cookies and cream Formula 1 shake from Herbalife. That's it. If you've got any questions or you want the recipe again, I will put it down on the link below or on the comments if you want it, or just send me a message, then I will give it to you. And I've got many more that you can make from home when you've got visitors, and Christmas is coming right now, so you might as well get some new recipes. To summarize this video, guys, is that Herbalife is for everyone in the family, from a toddler, a baby, to an adult. So you can use this for everyone, or everyone can eat it. If you eat food, then Herbalife is for you. You can eat Herbalife. So it's not just a shake, it's a meal replacement, as I was saying. So just always remember that you are replacing a full meal that you should be having with Herbalife shake or Herbalife dessert or whatever you are using it as. So you can juggle around what your needs are. So it is for everyone, and you can do anything with it. So that's the great thing. So I thought I just put that in so you guys can be aware that it's not just for people who are losing weight, it's also people who are maintaining weight, people who are also maintaining their nutrition, who wants good nutrition. You don't need to lose weight, you're already well, you just need to be healthier and eating well. So this will help. And you're a busy person in the morning, you don't have time to be having a cooked breakfast, you can have this, and you know that all your meals, all your nutrients are covered from this Formula 1 shake. Alrighty, guys, I hope you've gotten something out of this, and have you got any value from this? If you have, then send me a message, and then I can give you some more of these recipes for you to try at home. Alright, otherwise I'll talk to you again later, and until next video or next week, you guys have a powerful week, and smash this week and be the best that you can. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.